Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to clear Google Play Store data. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now we are gonna leave this Google Play Store for a bit and we will go to the settings on our phone. So let's jump straight into it. Now, okay, we are in our Google, settings in our phone. Now what you're going to do, find apps, click on it and then see all apps. All right. Now we can search for Google Play Store. So here at the top right corner, if you click this icon with magnifying glass uh, and type in Google Play, you will find Google Play Store. Click on it. Now you can first force stop your application. And after you do that, go to the storage and cache, and here you will see clear storage. So you will click on that. Now the pop-up window will appear. It will says that all app settings, databases and accounts will be deleted. So if you want to do that, just click delete to confirm. Now both the user data and cache values in the main menu will instantly drop down to 0. As you can see here, user data and that one, it will be 0. And yeah, this is how you can clear data. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next